For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
On July 5th, a gold smuggling event came to light from Kerala after 30 kg gold worth 15 crore rupees was seized in Thiruvananthapuram International Airport. The airport authorities seized the gold in a consignment which was meant for the consulate of UAE. The customs department opened the consignment baggage after it received a tip-off about gold smuggling through the diplomatic channel. Names of the accused have been revealed. Swapna Suresh is the prime accused in the case. Sarit PS and Sandeep Nair have also been named as accused in the case. After the scandal came to the fore, the Customs Department nabbed Sarit, the former consulate PRO. And during the interrogation, it was revealed that though Sarit was expelled from the office, he had been keeping in touch with some officials in the consulate, including Swapna Suresh. In fact, Swapna Suresh, the main accused in the scandal, had been coordinating with Sarit until her tenure was over in the UAE consulate office. Over the course of investigation, the NIA and even the Enforcement Directorate stepped in. The ED on Monday approached the Ernakulam Principal Sessions Court to issue a production warrant against the accused persons who are in judicial custody now. The court issued a warrant to produce them on Wednesday. The ED filed a petition seeking their custody for 7 days when they are produced in court. Meanwhile, on Tuesday, NIA arrested 2 more men in connection with the case. 2 more persons were arrested, taking the total number of held in the case to 12. The NIA arrested Sharafuddin, a resident of Malappuram district, and Shafiq from Palakkad district, and they were produced before a special NIA court in Ernakulam. In the latest, Ernakulam Principal Sessions Court sent accused Sarit PS, Swapna Suresh and Sandeep Nair to 7 days custody to Enforcement Directorate for interrogation. The Enforcement Directorate will now quiz all the accused named in the smuggling racket. In the coming days, more skeletons are expected to tumble out. Ramesh Keti, another accused who was held in the case, revealed that he was aided by Sharafuddin and Shafiq in collecting the smuggled gold from Sandeep Nair. The high-profile gold smuggling case in Kerala has rocked the state and has also cost IAS officer Sivasankar his job. The top official who had close links with Swapna Suresh was suspended from service. Former IAS officer Sivasankar was quizzed by the NIA officials as part of the ongoing probe. Keeping national security in mind, the Home Secretary has handed over the case to NIA.